Hi, this is Dawn here at the Science Zone, and we have something very exciting to tell you. Our Idea Lab kids are working really hard, and they came up with this wonderful idea of what can we do to keep our first responders and medical personnel safe? Well, these guys have gone above and beyond. What they're doing is they are researching disposable and fast personal protection equipment. And of course, we here at the Science Zone have a 3D printer. So the Idea Lab kids have teamed up with the Wyoming Technology Coronavirus Coalition, and we are printing personal protection equipment for our medical personnel. And so what we are doing is these kids are sending me files, and they are finding them, researching the background, the requirements to keep them sanitary, professional disposable, and quick to print. So we are just printing nonstop. These kids are coming up with ideas so we can take these masks and split them in the printing process, and so we can make them on our small printer bed. We also have another volunteer who's doing the big stuff in one solid piece. He is just a rock star. So first off, we have a very heavy duty mask, and this is going to be a face shield. As you can see, it's very thick and awesome, keeps things off your face. And we have a laminate sheet here with a 3-hole punch. We can just pop these little guys on here, just thusly. And this one's gonna be a little stick. And with a rubber band, we have a face shield. The best part of this is it is disposable. When you're done at the end of the day, you toss it. Those are a little bulky though. They're meant for people with maybe a little bit bigger heads. So we have these little guys here, that this one of course is the split one with a drop of glue, and awesomely enough, a 3-hole punch and a laminate sheet and a rubber band to hold it on the back. We have another face shield. So cleanable, disposable, ready to rock and roll. We also have this mask that was actually designed by a Montana doctor. And this is a flange that takes a regular mask and can turn it into 5. So they can cut off the cotton parts, take this flange out that just pops right out here, put that mask fiber in there, boop, put the flange back in, one mask turns into 5. This is amazing at keeping PPE going and easily accessible. Also, we have these, and these are going crazy. People are begging us for these. We are glad to get these to you. If you just go ahead and give us an email or a call, we would be glad to print these out and deliver them to you and your staff. These are free thanks to Idea Lab, the Science Zone, and all of our wonderful sponsors that are helping keep us going during this time so we can print these things for you. This is an ear saver clip, and what this does is if you have a mask with the ear loops and it's a little bit loose, which some of them are, or they're rubbing on your ears, we've had this question a lot, that they're rubbing on your ears, you put this clip, bam, on the back, you clip your mask to this instead of your ears, and you've got an ear saver or a mask adjuster. These things are awesome. We even put little hero on there because we cannot thank you guys enough for what you're doing for us. So we have lots of those that are printing. We can get about 12 of those a day printed, and we're just going gangbusters. We are glad to do it for you. Also, you have seen these people that have the ability to sew doing the cloth masks, and bless them. The talent there is immeasurable. I don't have that talent, but I do have a 3D printer available to me. So we also came up, the Idea Lab kids had mentioned this, and we found this design here, and this is where you attach elastic or string to these. You get a piece of cloth, and it holds it to your face. No sewing needed. We are just having a ball, learning lessons, taking the time to make sure that our medical personnel are safe. This is a very high technical challenge. The kids are exceeding it, along with the Wyoming Technology Coronavirus Coalition and our volunteers, our Idea Lab kids, Miss Darcy, all of us staff at the Science Zone. We cannot thank you enough for being on the front lines during this time. And if we can get you some of this PPE, or you think that your office or facility might need some, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And you can send your request to Dawn, D-A-W-N, Anderson, A-N-D-E-R-S-O-N, at thesciencezone.org, and we will get that PPE to you as fast as it can print. Again, thank you so much to our sponsors, the Wyoming Technology Coronavirus Coalition, and our Idea Lab kids. for helping make this world a safer place. Take care.
The Science Zone thanks these generous donors for allowing us to purchase new 3D printers. If you enjoyed today's content and would like it to continue, please consider joining these generous supporters of the Science Zone and our virtual engagement platform by clicking the donate button here or on our website. Thank you.